In the first video, we talked about to inscribe 4 equal circles in a square, each to touch 2 sides and 2 other circles. In this video, we'll be doing the same thing, but each of these circles will be touching 1 side and 2 other circles. So in this case, the only different thing you need to do is that we are going to bisect the angle between the diagonal and one of the sides. So let's take this diagonal on this side. Let's bisect the angle between them. So this is a very simple procedure. All you need to do is you draw an arc from the 2 containing sides, and then you cut arcs above that space. And then at the end of the day, we have an intersection. When we draw a line through the intersection, we'll get the bisector of this angle. Now this is CDEF. This is square CDEF. This is diagonal O. Now the next step is this bisector will actually touch the one of this line at, let's call it H. So we're going to open a compass to the diagonal to H, from the center to H. We're going to transfer that measurement to every other similar part. So transferring it. Then these 4 different markings, they will be the centers of the circles. So basically all you need to do is put at the center, open to the side of the square, and then you draw your circle. That's the first circle. Now have the second one. So we have here. You have the second circle here. So gladly, these ones are touching. You can see this. Each circle is touching another circle, and is also touching. It's touching this side. So it's touching, each of the circles are touching one side and 2 other circles. So that's what we hope to achieve here. So we are doing that, hopefully. You can see that I'm actually adjusting the circles a little, because sometimes there are always mistakes with the center of stuff like this. So here we go. And finally, we have the 4 circles. So you can see that each of them is touching 2 other circles and 1 side of the square. So thanks for watching.